if you want to make this bird feeder, continue on this video. Hello guys, welcome back to another Warren Family Adventures. And today guys, we are going to be making a bird feeder using a toilet roll. Okay, all you need is peanut butter, bird feeder, a toilet roll, and string, and a bird feeder again, and scissors, and you need a knife too. So what you do first, you get a knife and you put the peanut butter on the knife. Hold up. Uh-oh, I think it's a little bit too big. Then you spread it on the toilet paper roll. Let's get it. Okay, all you gotta do is keep spreading on it. This is a dirty pot. Okay, if you need more peanut butter, just get some more. And we're gonna spread this all over this toilet. I need a little bit more. Okay, if you need more, because it's hard holding you need anything. Okay, I'm almost done. All I need to do is keep spreading it around. Okay guys, I am done right now. So next, you can use a bowl or a plate to put the bird feeder in. Now let's move this so y'all will know what to do. Okay? So yeah, thank you. So all you gotta do is just roll it in there. Make sure you have the best peanut butter so it can stick on, so the seeds can stick on a peanut butter. All I gotta do is just roll. See how it's getting in, guys? Roll. Roll, 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 roll. Right here. Keep rolling, man. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm done right now. So, guys, if you don't have a toilet paper roll, you can use a paper towel roll. All you gotta do is just cut it up in bits, 4 or 3, I don't know. So now my mom's gonna give me some wipe to wipe my hands off, because this is a really big pot. And make sure you have adult supervision when you do the knife part. Almost done wiping my hands. Now, all we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this bird feeder aside because you can tell what the There we go, the paper towel. Smack it out of here. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Now it's time for the string time. So I'm gonna pick purple. So when you do it, all you gotta do is wrap it inside of it. Put it inside. Okay, guys, if y'all heard that, it was nothing. Cut it there. All you need to do is do a knot. This string is so. There you go, guys. This is how you make a bird feeder. Hopefully the birds outside get this, because this looks kind of good for birds. Guys, like this video. Comment down below if we should do anything more like this. Subscribe to our channel. Share this video. And like guys. And then please like this video if you think you want to make this bird feeder, guys. We love you. Warren family. Okay, guys. Out. Now let's go put our bird feeder on the tree. Let's go. So we're gonna do one right there, one right there. I decided to come over here. I'm gonna do like this right here. Look at the pretty flowers. Ooh. Let me get a quick zoom in on that. Okay, now I'm gonna put mine right there. Hopefully a lucky bird come right there. No, I'm doing this. I love you, buddy. Love you. Tuxedo forever.